Inhale and exhale. Very nice. We're going to move to our lower body warm-up. We're going to do it with very powerful breath. We're going to do it with breath of fire through O-shaped mouth for release of the energies which can be stored in us from unprocessed emotion, unresolved issues, unprocessed impressions. We're going to work with area of solar plexus. Mainly we're going to work with area of solar plexus, this area. Okay, so we're going to do every exercise with breath of fire through O-shaped mouth so that prana can go down the solar plexus area. Oxygen, powerful breath, life energy, and stir things up and move things around. Okay, so let's start with our first exercise. We're going to stretch our legs out. We're going to extend our thumbs, our eagle, right? And we are going to do stretches. We feel the stretch somewhere in our spine and also underneath our knees, okay, and our legs. And we do this exercise, actually it's very good for kidneys, this exercise, and as well it lifts your chest up, the muscles, and they're gonna uplift your chest, which is not bad actually. Okay, so we are going to do this movement with breath of fire through the mouth, or shaped mouth, for 3 minutes. And we can begin. We can inhale sat and exhale nam. Inhale, hold the breath, pull the locks, exhale. Very nice. We'll move right away to the next exercise for 3 minutes as well. We are going to be continue working with area of solar plexus and the same type of breath of fire through a shaped mouth. This is our movement for next exercise for the next 3 minutes. okay? But make sure you keep the chin lock at all times with this exercise. Do not bend your head backwards. Do not extend your head backwards like this. The chin lock always takes place in this exercise, okay? So we can begin. We can inhale set and exhale nam. Inhale, hold the breath, pull the locks. And exhale. Very nice. Now we move back to our first exercise for 3 minutes with breath of fire. Okay? Feel the stretch. Inhale, hold the breath, pull the locks, and exhale. Very nice. And guess what? We're gonna come back to the same exercise which we did before, also with breath of fire, and you concentrate on your fears, concentrate on blockages within your system. Whatever you want to get rid of, you can via breath and this powerful movement. Okay, let's release the blocks, let's raise our energy, and let's feel good. Okay, especially it's good to do it in the morning in case you have a bad sleep. That helps a lot. The powerful pranayama with yoga can get better than that. Okay, so let's do this exercise for 3 minutes. Powerful breath of fire. Inhale Sat and exhale Nam. Inhale, hold the breath, pull the locks, and exhale. Very nice. Okay, and we're gonna do last exercise of the series is going to be the same that the one before this. When we sit up with legs extended, arms extended, and you concentrate into transmutation of craziness into bliss. Okay, that's what we're gonna do via powerful pranayama and this body movement. Okay, let's do it. 3 minutes. We have 30 seconds left, and keep your arms parallel the floor. Keep the powerful breath. Inhale, hold the breath, pull the locks, and exhale. Very nice. All right, now we're gonna go to our second block for the lower body and for solar plexus experience. So let's do this exercise for 5 minutes. We're gonna be lifting our torso and then placing it back to the floor, lifting it up and then placing back to the floor with powerful breath of fire through O-shaped mouth. We're going to do it for 5 minutes, and then we're going to lift the torso from the ground and hold it for 3 minutes with the same breath, with breath of fire through O-shaped mouth. Okay, this is a powerful exercise for solar plexus, for release of all the stored energies in this area. Okay, so let's begin. We can inhale Sat and exhale Nam, and we're going to interlace our fingers behind our neck so we have chest area extended, expanded, and we're going to place our heels as close as possible to the buttocks, and we're going to lift it up, okay, and place it back down to the floor. Lift the torso up and place it back to the floor with powerful breath of fire. 5 minutes. Now we're gonna lift ourselves up and hold our body in this posture with breath of fire for 3 minutes. Inhale, hold the breath, pull the locks, stretch, and exhale. Very nice. Okay, so we'll lift it up a little bit. The veil of craziness of our subconscious mind imprints. And I'm not saying that all our anxieties, all our fears are going to disappear forever and ever, but at least for some time, we'll lift it up, this energy band of our programs, of our unconscious, subconscious imprints from the past, which can weight us down quite a bit. Okay, so we lifted it up, we feel much better. Maybe if we do these exercises every day, we can permanently erase certain imprints of our subconscious mind, certain imprints of our past forever, and we'll never have to come back to certain places, to the places where we don't want to reside. Okay, but today we definitely lifted up ourselves above time and space, above our programming, which is great. So let's do the last stretch, and we're going to start our meditation. We're going to do meditation bowing to infinity, bowing before the infinity. Okay, so inhale, exhale, grab your toes, and you're going to put the pressure on your toenail with your thumbs, and we're going to do breath of fire and feel the stretch in our spine, also underneath our legs, beneath our knee area. Continue, try to keep your spine as straight as possible and also your legs as straight as possible. Inhale, hold the breath, pull the locks, and exhale. All right, very nice. Very, very nice. It was a powerful warm-up today. So let's start our 11 minutes meditation. We are going to be doing meditation bowing before the infinity.